What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for coming back and tuning in. And if you're new, my name is Angelica, and I am here to help you with your hair. I am all things hair, honey, protective styling, wigs, you name it, I do it. So today's video is going to be over this hair right here, guys. Yes, y'all. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. And y'all, she is synthetic, y'all. And look at this. I am obsessed. Okay, Sensational Butter units have it like going on in this color, honey. Just call me a little pumpkin spice latte. Okay, because honey, we look cute. We look fall. We just look fine. So if you would like to learn more about this wig, stay tuned. All right, guys, so let's get started with this tutorial. So I have my Sensational Butta Lace wig, and I'm just going to go on ahead and slide it on. Next, I'm going to take my Bold Hold Extreme and do a layer of lace glue. And then I'm going to go on ahead and spread it out with my rat tail comb. For this install, I'm going to do 2 thin layers of glue. Now, in order to make the wig stay, I'll usually do about 3 to 5 layers, but this time, since I am doing Vlogmas and since I am changing out wigs really quickly, I'm just going to do 2. This unit is a 13 by 4 unit, so in order to place this unit, I'm going to place it in the middle first, take my blow dryer and comb and press it down until I feel like it is secure, and then I'm going to move on to each side and do the application that way. I feel like this works best for me in order to ensure that I get those pesky little ear tabs down and in place where I want them to be. That seems like the hardest part, honestly, for me. So that is how I personally install my lace units. Next, taking my absolute favorite product, my Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray, I'm going to then spray my unit just to melt the lace into my skin to make it look flawless and like this hair is coming out of the scalp, honey. Then, of course, to complete the melting process, we have to place a wig band on her, honey. And this hair is a little bit too much in my face, and so I'm going to do a little bit of face framing, and I'm going to go on ahead and chop her a little bit. I felt like the hair was a little bit too much. However, I did end up getting a second unit where I kept the hair a little bit longer and I didn't cut so much off the bottom just because I love this unit and I also wanted it in a longer length. Now that she's all melted, we're going to comb down our baby hairs and fix our part. I wanted an illusion that obviously the hair is coming out of my scalp, so I'm going to kind of make the part look a little bit more crisp and more scalp-like. So I'm going to take my concealer and a small brush and just outline my part with the concealer. And then I don't have the spray that everyone uses, so I'm just going to take some dark eyeliner, place my rat tail comb in the middle, and then outline the part that I did with the black eyeshadow so that the part is crisp and nice and seamless. And there you have it, y'all. It is the install of this Sensational Copper Butter Lace unit. I am in love and obsessed, honey. If you're looking for more details and information about this unit, stay tuned. So this is one of the units that I recently saw on TikTok. I've been seeing a lot of people get it, so I wanted to try it. And it was also a hairstyle that I've been wanting to do because I have a lot of curly units, but not necessarily this like loose of a curl in this color. So I wanted to try out this hairstyle. And also, y'all, this wig is under $50, so I had to, guys. I had to. It's a pretty good wig out the pack. I can say that you could potentially get away with it right out of the pack, depending on how tall you are and how, you know, large your head is and all those other factors. For me personally, I had to cut it in order for it to kind of look right on me. I was kind of getting swallowed up by the hair. So that was a thing for me. It is a T-part wig, so there is lace right here and lace on the sides. It does, like you guys seen in the tutorial, it does go all the way, so you are able to, you know, do different hairstyles with this wig. And I will be definitely trying out different hairstyles with this wig. I am not afraid to do different hairstyles with wigs, especially if it's a full lace in the front. So, you know, you do different things with your hair. So I'm gonna do different things with this wig, honey. I'm gonna wear it half up, half down, maybe in 2 space buns. You never know. So I'm excited to see how exactly I would style this wig. But we're gonna see throughout the week. Other than that, guys, that is pretty much all that I have on the wig. If you guys have any additional questions that I did not answer, please put them in the comment section below. And if you just like your girl and you like this video, go on ahead and smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, honey, why haven't you? Go on ahead, click on my face, and I'll see you in my next video.